Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning block 21, which is beginning of settled life. And we have learned that early humans who were hunters and gatherers, and they were wanderers who used to move from one place to another in search of food. And how did they start settling in one place? It was because of the farming. Okay, they have observed that baby plants, the small plants, grow from the seed, and they started sowing the seeds, and in that way they started farming, and also they started growing the barley, maize, yes, wheat, sweet potato, and they started eating, and they began to settle in one place, and they also started constructing the huts, building the huts, isn't it, children? So in the second topic we are going to learn about the changes in tools. Okay, so the change in tools. So please open your social content book, children, and turn to page number 131, 131. Okay, so earlier the tools were made of stones, we have learned, isn't it, children? So here also the stones were used as the tools, but this time they started making the tools stronger and sharper. Okay, like spears, hammers, knives, axe heads, all these things they started making it stronger and sharper. Okay, so these new tools were helping them, these strong and sharper tools were helping them in the farming, yes, in making the huts, in digging the soil. So all these things were becoming easy for them as the stones, as the tools they were using were stronger and faster, sharper. Okay, so along with digging the soil, why digging the soil? To sow the seeds, isn't it? Making the huts, to make the huts they have to break the stars, isn't it, children? They have to break the branches, isn't it? So that they can get that roof, attached to roof. So all these things, and also for cutting the harvest crop, when the crop has been harvested you have to cut it down, isn't it? The So for doing these things, these sharper tools were very very useful. Not only that, they were started grinding the food grains. Grinding means to smash it, to smash the food grains into some powder, like, okay. And also they started using the axes to clear the forest to do the farming. So earlier everything was forest only, isn't it, children? So they started cutting down the trees with the help of the sharp axe, and they started doing the farming. Okay, so in that way there was a change in tools. Okay, children, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and underline in your content book. And if you find any other word difficult for you, you can add it in your keywords and learn them, children. Okay, coming to your question answers. What kind of tools did early humans use after they started farming? What did they use these tools for? So these tools, after farming, early humans started to use the sharper and stronger tools, isn't it, children? After they started farming. Yes, and why did they use to build their houses, for the farming, for making, for digging the soil, for grinding the food grains, isn't it? To clear the forest for crops, for growing crops, all these things they have used these sharper tools, isn't it? So write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 26, S2, change in tools. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, which is invention of wheel. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.